Hi everyone, this is Paulina from paulinaskitchen.com and now I will show you how to make my all-time favorite tea I am drinking whenever I have swollen throat or I am simply sick. It works great and brings relief very quickly after a few days. Just drink it a few times a day. A long time ago, when I was sick and I didn't want to take medicines, my doctor told me about this tea. And since then, I am using this recipe all the time when I'm feeling bad, even when I am feeling just weak, like before sicking. In my personal opinion, it works much better than many medicines and my family loves it. Let's start making the recipe, which is very simple by the way. First, slice one large washed lemon. Then wash and halve one orange and set it aside. Here I have one big piece of washed young ginger, so I will not peel it. I will just slice it. But if you have only old ginger, I recommend you peel it first. Place ginger slices in a medium pot and cover them with 3 liters of water. And bring it to a boil. Then lower the heat to low and cover with a lid. Simmer for 45 minutes. After that time, turn off the stove and take off the lid. Add sliced lemon to a pot, cover again and leave it for 10 minutes. Then, pour hot tea into a cup using a mesh strainer. This way we will avoid little pieces of ginger skin in our cup. Add heaped teaspoon of honey, slices of fresh orange and lemon, and enjoy! I am sure your throat will be happy after drinking this one. If you like this video or you want to see more recipes like that in the future, please subscribe by pressing the red subscribe button below the video. More recipes like that you can find on my website paulinaskitchen.com. Bye!